Hi everyone, this is Wyatt from the Camden Public Library, and I just wanted to make a quick video to show you how to use the Kanopy Film Streaming service. So Kanopy is a great service that will give you access to all sorts of indie films, documentaries, great courses, and more stuff like that. And so to get started, what you'll need is a library card and an email that you can use to activate your Kanopy account. Okay, so there are a couple ways to get to the Kanopy website, but I'm going to start by showing you how to get there from the Camden Public Library website. So the URL you would need to go to for that is librarycamden.org, and that's our website right here. From here, we're going to go over to the Learn tab. If you hover over that, that'll pull down a list, and we're going to go down to the Kanopy Film Streaming button right here. This is kind of our hub for the information about that service, and feel free to read through this. There's a lot of good stuff here, but what you want to click on is this link right here, and that'll take you to Camden Library's Kanopy page. We're going to click on the Add Library Card button, and then you're going to want to enter the number that is on the back of your Camden Public Library card. So just enter that right here, and then when you're all set, click Continue. And then it should show you a page that looks like this, or at least it did at the time of making of this video. And you'll just enter your name and the email that you will be able to verify your account from. So you should receive a verification that looks like this. I just put it in here so that you would have an idea of what to look for. And I received this from an email address called kanopy@kanopy.com, and be sure to check your spam and junk folders if you're not seeing it there within 5 minutes of setting up your account. All right, so you are all set to start watching. If you have any questions, feel free to put them in the comments section and we'll do our best to answer them. Thanks a lot for watching, and I hope you enjoy.